Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be unraveling the mystery of assets and how to classify them in accounting. In accounting, assets are the resources that are owned by the business or what is expected to be paid to the business for services rendered, for example. Assets are the foundation to a company's financial health, and understanding how to classify them is crucial to creating accurate financial reporting. Assets are typically separated into two main categories: current assets and non-current assets. Current assets are what is expected to be converted into cash or used within 1 year. Examples of this might be cash, accounts receivable, or inventory. And non-current assets are those with a longer life expectancy. This category might be property, plant, equipment, and tangible assets such as patents or trademarks. It can also be furniture or things like that have a longer lifespan than a year. Now let's delve into how to classify your assets. Step 1, identify the nature. Begin by understanding the nature of the asset. Is it a short-term resource or is it a long-term resource? Step 2, current or non-current. Based on its life expectancy, categorize the asset as either current or non-current. Step 3, specific categories. Further classifying the asset into specific categories such as cash, receivables, or property. Following these steps ensures the systematic and accurate classification of the asset, providing you a clear picture of your company's financial position. And there you have it, a quick guide to understanding assets and how to classify assets in accounting. Whether you're a business owner or a student, mastering asset classification is a fundamental skill that you need to learn for your financial management. Thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. If you got value from my video today and you'd like to learn more on how you might be able to make money passively from home online, be sure and sign up to my newsletter for more information at LarenaGrant.com. And be sure and like and subscribe. We thank you for stopping by today and hope you have a blessed day.